What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Driven by DN. My name is Don. I know it's been a long time, but in this video, we're gonna be looking at this beautiful Volvo V60 cross-country wagon. Now this is the last of a dying breed in a world that basically SUVs are taking over. Now in this video, we're gonna be doing an exterior and interior walk around, and then we're gonna take it for a drive. Let's get straight into it. All right, starting with the front of the vehicle, you can see Volvo's very iconic Volvo iron mark. Now this is basically a symbol that spanned back decades upon decades, and it basically symbolizes their commitment to safety and reliability. Now that being said, you can see all the safety features present here. I'll point them out one by one. Right behind this logo, there is a radar for the forward collision warning as well as the adaptive cruise control. You get one of the cameras for the 360 camera system. Now, not only do you get the front parking sensors, you also get them in the side. That way, it not only detects things in the front, but if you get close to a car or a curb on the side, it will detect that as well. Now moving over here, you can see the fully LED headlights and fog lights. Now this does have the Volvo Thor's hammer headlight design right here, and it comes with the headlight washer as well. Now this is, like I said, fully LED turn signals, everything like that. Now let's check out what's under the hood. Alright, under the hood is a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Now this is also paired with a mild hybrid system, which is basically a 48-volt mild hybrid battery that helps with fuel economy, the auto start stop, and a little bit of performance. Now this vehicle sprints to 60 in 6.6 seconds in a very smooth and luxurious manner. Alrighty, moving on to the side of the Volvo V60, you can see with this cross-country package, comes with these plastic wheel arches right here, as well as the side skirts, along with a 1.5-inch lift. Now, wrapped in these beautiful 19-inch wheels are these Pirelli P0s. They're specifically designed for this model. Now, what that does is it maximizes comfort, efficiency, and performance. Now, stepping back, you can see the traditional side profile of the Volvo station wagon. Coming to the back over here, you can see these beautiful LED taillights, the V60 badging, Volvo spelled out right here, as well as the B5 all-wheel drive badge right here. Now, cross-country is also embroidered into this plastic right here. Now let's check out the trunk space. Now, looking into the trunk of the Volvo V60, you can see there's plenty of space, and of course, you can fold down the second row of seating to have a flat loading surface all the way up to the front row. Now, you can also use that center passenger right there if you have something long but narrow. Also comes with a cargo cover. That way, you can keep all your things super private. With that being said, let's move on to the interior of the V60. All right, hopping into this beautiful amber interior of the Volvo V60 Cross Country, you're probably wondering at this point, I want this car. How much would this run me? Sticker on this Ultra model is $58,555. Now, what that comes with mainly for the Ultra model is the ventilated Napa leather seating, the for Sweden hand-blown crystal shifter, as well as the Harman Kardon audio system. Now, moving over to the door panels right here, you can see the metal speaker grille for the Harman Kardon audio system, as well as 2-person memory seating. Of course, you get power folding mirrors, everything like that, one touch up and down for all 4 windows. Now, moving over to the steering wheel, you get a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, as well as a digital gauge cluster and a nice vertical gauge cluster right here. Now, turning on the vehicle, you can see the mild hybrid system eliminates the starter noise for this vehicle, so it kind of just whirs to life. Now you can see all the screens are whirring to life right now. While it's doing that, you can see it comes with automatic headlights, rain sensing windshield wipers, and Volvo's Pilot Assist system. So basically what that is an adaptive cruise control system that also comes with lane centering. Now coming over to the center stack, you can see you get some physical buttons right here as well, your hazards, defrosters, radio controls. Coming down here, you get a traditional 12-volt as well as your electronic shifter. Your start-stop knob is right here. This spans across all Volvo models. You turn it to the right to start the engine, as well as you turn it to the right to stop the engine. You get an electronic parking brake, as well as Volvo's auto hold system. 2 cup holders, plenty of space right here. Now, if you look over my head, you can see this beautiful panoramic sunroof as well. Now, this is standard on all Volvo models, and you can see it offers very nice lighting, and it gives an interior a very open feel. Now, back to the technology in this vehicle. Volvo is very technology packed. So you can see it comes with their Google system, which comes standard with Google Maps and Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, of course. But you can see it comes with the Google Maps as well. Now, since this vehicle is so new, I have to activate it. But with that being said, of course, you can see your 360 camera in here as well. And your heated ventilated seat control is in here as well. Now, with that being said, this car looks nice inside and on the outside. Let's see how it drives. All right, getting behind the wheel of the V60. I'm gonna take it on the road, see how it really feels. I can already tell, super smooth, very refined driving experience. We're gonna take it on a highway right now, see how it drives and performs up there. Comes around the corners very nicely. Very smooth braking experience as well. Now this turn signal sound, Volvo says it's supposed to replicate the sounds of twig snapping. Like I said, 0 to 60 in this vehicle, 6.6 seconds, thanks to that 2-liter turbocharged mild hybrid system. You can see it gets you up there pretty quick and smoothly. Now cruising at 55 to 60 miles per hour, you can see how quiet it is in the cabin, no road noise, no wind noise, thanks to the very good insulation Volvo puts on their vehicles, as well as the specifically designed for Volvo Pirelli P0s, which eliminates a lot of the road noise and keeps the cabin nice and quiet. This vehicle comes with all the safety features, of course, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, forward collision warning, and it also does have that pilot assist, which I'll show you how it works in just a second here once we merge onto this highway. You can see pickup speed is very smooth. Cruises at 70, right around 1900 RPMs, nice and quiet in here. Now to activate the basically the autopilot system, which Volvo calls the pilot assist, what you would do is you hit the center button right here and it'll display the speed, and then you can just let it take over. Now you do have to keep your hands on the wheel or touch it every few seconds. That way Volvo knows you're still awake and attentive. These cars are very nice ride height thanks to the 1.5-inch lift. It's a nice sweet spot between having a traditional station wagon, between that and an SUV. So you can have a really nice ride height in here, good visibility all around, nice big windows, get a heads-up display so you don't have to look in the gauge cluster, keep your eyes on the road at all times. Like I said, Volvo is prioritizing safety at all times. They are the ones who created this seat belt I'm wearing right now, as well as the blind spot monitoring system. Now, one thing I am noticing specifically about this vehicle is the seats are very, very comfortable. Now, Volvo actually partners with orthopedists to design these seats specifically to support the back and spine. That's why this heated and ventilated Nappa leather seat is super, super comfortable. And you can change things like the side posters as well as the knee cushion right here as well. If you have longer legs, it'll support you better here. And definitely these seats are definitely the best I've ever sat in. I have a Tesla Model 3. Those seats are very supportive as well with the sport performance seats, but this is just on another level. It's top notch. You can see myself driving 10 to 12 hours in this car easy. Long cross-country road trip, like the name suggests, cross-country, you know what I'm saying? Boring! Super, super nice experience in here. Definitely a great road trip vehicle. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Thank you so much for watching once again. I'll see you on the next one.